All right, so congratulations, you have reached the end of this video. This is video number 9, and we're going to talk about how to connect your autoresponder system to your landing page. Now, there are various ways of doing this, and the reason why I have chosen this specific lead capture system that I did in the previous video is because you can literally just connect your autoresponder system to it, and it'll literally load it so you don't need to get access to the web form. However, that said, some lead capture pages will require you to get the HTML code from your web form. So I want to make sure that I cover as much bases as possible, whether you're using those systems or you're using the automatic connection systems as I showed you earlier. All right. So with that said, let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you how to connect these two. Okay, so the benefit of using the GetResponse landing page system, or the system that is built into the autoresponder system itself, is that a lot of times you don't need to deal with the web form itself. You don't have to get the web form code or anything like that. So it's very similar to lead pages in that, and I'll show you lead pages as well in just a second. But with GetResponse, as you saw earlier, once you have everything set up, the autoresponder and landing page, you'll notice at the bottom that it allows you to choose your list campaign. So you can simply choose the list. If you want double confirmed opt-in, you select that on. If you don't, you select it off. And then you select the thank you page if you want the default or the custom thank you page. And then you set your message, and that's it. And you're pretty much good to go. You click on publish, and you just wait a few seconds here. And that's it. So it has generated this link, which is the listbuildingtest1.gr8.com. So as you can see, there we go. And that is our landing page. So the nice thing about GetResponse is by utilizing that, it has integrated it into the autoresponder, and it has connected both together. Now, if you are using something like lead pages here, I'm showing this now, you can access the lead page or box or whatever, and basically within the integration settings, you'll see that it integrates with these here because I've actually integrated into my account, and you can see that these are all of my lists. So all I have to do is simply choose a list, press OK, and I'm good to go. Now, as you can see with lead pages, it also allows you to integrate it with other things like your webinar host or your Facebook registration. Now, with Landing Page Monkey, however, you do have to get the HTML code from your actual autoresponder system. So as I showed you in the previous videos on setting up the autoresponder, I showed you how to get access to the web form and the HTML code. So you basically would enter that HTML code here, and you're pretty much good to go. So if you have any problems, if you have any questions, then you need to contact your autoresponder service and ask them where you can get access to the raw HTML code, and then just enter that in here. So some landing page generators, as you can see here, will require you to get the HTML code, and all you would do is enter that here, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much how easy it is to connect the autoresponder system and the landing page system.